Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can make a 3D shape inside of Figma, okay? Now, unfortunately, this is a plugin that is not completely free. It has some paid options, okay? But I'm going to show you some free options that you can still try, okay? And if you want to, know more about this, you can subscribe to this plugin, okay? Because it's very useful if you're working with 3D models, okay? Now, in order to do this, we're going to go to our, project here, and we want to select the menu, and we want to go to plugins here, okay? Now you want to click on Manage Plugins, and you want to look for 3D shape generator. Okay, this is the name of plugin. Okay, you can also use other plugins like Blend, for example, but these are only going to work for vector paths, not for any sphere or for cubes. Okay, so keep that in mind. Okay, you can also use Blend if you're looking for another option with vector paths. Okay, which is this one here. Okay, now let's go back to our shape generator 3D. Now we're just going to click on it. And as you can see, we have some free options, which are basically, cubes. Okay, but you can also choose, for example, cylinders, circles, so on, so on, so on. Okay, like spheres and so on. So just make sure that you select your preferred shape. Okay, and just choose the color. In my case, it's going to be something like, I don't know, like purple, like, pink. And you can basically select what kind of, shape style you want, if you want it to be solid or to outline, and the light source that you actually want. Okay, you can make it top, left side, or right side. Okay, and after you're ready, just click on create, and here we have it. Here we have our 3D shape. Okay, which is kind of basic, but it does the job. Okay, for what we're looking for. Okay, so we don't have to go back to any 3D model and actually export the shape here, which is a mess. All right, thank you so much, guys.